Get Sports Focus is presented by Dr. Ting, sports medicine and orthopedic surgery.
Hey guys, breaking news. Bishop O'Dowd's Camilo Eifler was on a little network called ESPN to announce which college he will be attending for the 2016 season. Now, without any further ado, his college of choice is the University of Washington, joining fellow 2016 recruit Sean McGrew from St. John Bosco in SoCal. Now, it's safe to say that Eifler was a top recruit out of the Bay Area, gaining MVP status at the Nike opening in Oakland back in May. Now, speaking of top recruits, we'd like to hear from you guys. Tweet us who your favorite players are, who you think will be the best this upcoming season, at Get Sports Focus or at Miss Krish. We want to know. For Get Sports Focus, I'm Kaylee Krish.